Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Fish on. Splashed. Come on, buddy. He's not a big fish, but he's fighting for it. He is putting up quite a fight there. There we go. Another nice blue cat. I think he's cursing at me. All right, we'll let you go. There he goes. Trying to do a little bit of rearrangement, trying to keep him away from that, line so he doesn't get caught up. Yeah, he got caught up in that line. Tried my best to keep him out. Oh, he's pulling. Try to do this. Let's try to go over this way. There we go. Got that mess untangled. Now let's try to land them. Almost lost the glove. Actually landed on his head. And I grabbed it from there. All right. He's not ready. He's still fighting. Fish. Let's let it go. We'll catch some more. Alright guys, so I moved about 50 yards downstream. I didn't like the conditions. Oh, we're gonna hit here. As I'm trying to talk you through where I'm at right now and what I'm doing. What I was saying is I moved 50 yards downstream because I didn't like the setup over there, and I'm trying to fish the deepest part of this main river channel, which has a 40-foot drop right where I'm at right now. I'm getting some pecks on this rod here on the left, but he's not hooking up. I think he just let go. Well, that's what happens. You fish with these big hooks and big pieces of cut bait. The small ones are not going to hook up all the time, but they'll get it eventually. You just got to give them Give him a chance. Oh, we're getting some action on the right here. I can't tell what that is. The wind is blowing north-northwest at 5 miles per hour. Oh, he's caught up in. Try to keep him away from our other line. Where is he? I don't see him. Oh, he's pulling. Not a bad fish. All right. I'll tell you what. Let's handle line him here for a second. Should be naughty now. Alright, here we go. He is not letting go on that bait. Let's get this out of the way for a second. Yeah. Another nice porker. Decent sized blue cat, put up a good fight. No bigger than he was. Nice, fun catch. He had me confused there. I was pulling on the wrong. Oh, we're getting another hit there. All right, let me let this guy go. All right, he's off. I'm getting hits there on the front right rod. The depth changed on me suddenly. Here comes some more wakes. Get some bites here. Get some bites here. Oh yeah. Remind me when I get home to switch the handle to the right side. Oh, stay out of the line. It's just a small one. See if we can swim them out of that tangle. We got another one right there. Small fish. Let's put him back in the holder. Back in the holder for a sec. No. Now he let go. Alright, let's land this fish now. for a second that other one had a fish on it, but I guess it was just my imagination. All right, let's let this one go. I don't mind catching the small ones. They're all pretty fun. Go on, get 50 pounds one day. Got a fish on this one now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh man, he pulled hard. Wow. It doesn't feel that big. But man, did he smash it. Man, he put some bend in that rod. For no bigger than he is, he's not really that big. I just gotta look at him. Alright, he's alright. Not as big as some of the fish we've been getting, but oh, come on, buddy. Get that out of your system. You don't need to do that. Alright, you're being ridiculous now. Feisty little fish there. There we go. There we go. Nice sized bluegill right there. Put up quite a fight too. Slammed that rod. Absolutely smashed it. I thought he was gonna be a little bit bigger, but nonetheless, a lot of fun catching this fish. All right, buddy, you earned it. You get to go. Go on. There we go. Got a fish on this one. I'm getting bites on the other side too. I'm getting bites on this one. He's not on yet. Don't do that. I don't want to risk losing him there, so I'm just going to unhook him right here. There we go. Another nice one. Smashed that hook too. Alright, let's let him go. I need to get some fresh bait on here. My bait's been sitting in the water for a long time. Stay out of that line. Stay out of the line. There we go. Oh, we got another hit. We got another hit. Did he let go? I think he did. Let's put this one back in. That one still might be on. What time is it? 5:40. About 30 minutes till sunset. I've gotten back pretty close to the boat launch, and I'm gonna set up for my last spot. Wish me luck. 27 feet of water. That's how we're gonna round out the day. I fished everything from 50, one spot was 45. I drifted my way down to 25 feet of water, and that last spot I was at was as shallow as 9 to 10 feet. So I just made my way back towards the launch site, and we're gonna round it out with 27 feet of water today. We got 2 fish on. There we go. That's one right there. That's one right there. Yeah, he's on. Finally. For as many times he was pecking at it, it's about time he got hooked up. Probably a small one. Yep. That's why. That's why he couldn't get hooked up. My bait is bigger than the size of his mouth. It's no wonder he could not get hooked up. But one way or the other, these fish will keep trying until they find a way to get hooked up. Let me see if I can just grab him by my hands. There we go. It's just a little dink. They are fun to catch, but they will strip your bait clean. Go on somewhere. There we go. There we go. He's on. He's on this one. Another small one. You know what? That might be the same fish. No, it's not. This one's even smaller. Alright, let's just hand line him. Oh, he is barely hooked. Barely hooked. Oh, another one's on. Oh, this one's a bigger fish. This is a nice one. Sorry, fish, I gotta let you take a break for a second. I got distracted here. Oh, this is a better one. Yeah, buddy. Oh, he's pulling hard. Let's get a look at him. I haven't quite got a look yet. Oh yeah, he's pulling. He is pulling. Still got this fish on this rod. I'm gonna just let him hang out for a second here. Oh, buddy. I don't know what this is, but he's got quite some fight in him. I don't know if it's a big fish or just a little fish fighting hard. But he gave a couple good. Oh my God, that is a big one. That is the biggest one of the day. That is what I'm talking about. Alright, hold on. Oh, I do not want to lose him right now. Man, he's pulling. I'm trying to keep him out of my other lines here for a second. Wow. Oh my God. That is a tank. That is the biggest fish of the day right now. Yeah, he's got quite a gut on him, I just saw. Yeah, he is not ready. There we What a tank. There we go. Got the hook out. Wow. That is a tank. That's what I'm after, guys. Oh yeah. Man. I'll get a hold of him. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. This is why I came out here to fish. To get monster fish like this. Man, I can't even hold him up. I still got another fish on that line. I can see him swimming away. But this guy, man, he gave me a run. I'm gonna have to review the film how long I was in on the fight, but man, that's what I'm talking about. This is a trophy cat. I don't care where you're fishing, this is what you're after. All right, let's let him get back in the water. Wow, what a fight. What a fish. All right, oh yeah, I think I got a fish on this line too. Let's go get him in. He's not much, small little guy. There we go. He's not much to look at, but you know what? I like catching them all. I do not discriminate. Go on, get bigger, buddy. What a fun time, man. All right, guys. I don't know how well you can see me. It's 30 minutes past sunset, and I've been fishing a little bit longer than I originally planned for, but that's because the action was just packed today. You know, I wanted to stay out an extra 30-40 minutes just to see if I could catch one more nice fish, and you just saw it. So I'm heading back towards the boat launch now. I'm just going to start filming this outro for you guys as I do that, and man, I hope you guys liked it. I had a lot of fun. Do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to put out more videos soon. Thanks for watching, guys. We out.